Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to react on a WhatsApp messages. But remember, you're gonna have to update your WhatsApp. Make sure it's up to date. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on mobile and PC. Let's start on mobile. As you can see here right now, I got my WhatsApp that are open. So what you're gonna have to do here is just to press on the message that someone did send to you. You press on this message, okay? And when you press, you got all the emoji that are available, okay? So I'm gonna choose this one, okay? As you can see, remember you're gonna have to update, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to do it on PC. Now I'm going to show you how to react on a WhatsApp message from a computer. Okay, so we are going to start. Remember, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. So we are going to start from here. I got a message. I can click on any of these message. Okay, as you can see here, when I plus the mouse on top of the message, you can see already the reaction emoji is here. If I remove the mouse, you won't see it. But if I come back here, I just click here and then react. As you can see, click, react, click, and react. Okay? I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.